Well, hey guys, so in one of my previous videos I was bleeding the brakes and I broke the bleeder in the caliper, broke it right off, and just dust come right out of it when I broke it off. So I know that this has a ton of rust inside because it was just rusty dust. So decided, hey, I need to replace them. These ones were just on the truck. I painted them on the truck. I was just like, oh, we'll just hurry and paint them, but they're not gonna work. So went on Summit Racing, bought these remanufactured ones. They were like $22. You can't beat $22. This is cheap, and I am pretty sure that these aren't remanufactured because they look brand new. So, I mean, even you can still even see machine marks on them. I mean, it's crazy. But I know that they're gonna rust. They're just not gonna hold up over time. So, I got this Dupli color caliper ceramic paint kit. It's just red. I'm gonna paint these. So I'm going to hurry and get them painted, let them dry overnight. Tomorrow I'll put them on the truck, bleed the brakes, put the wheels and tires back on, and then hopefully we'll get it started tomorrow and we'll take it for a drive without the bed. I hope. That's what I'm hoping. So I'm going to get these painted and sure you guys check it out. Go ahead and get her going. And there is the part number for the brake. Hey guys, so got the calipers painted last night. They're dry. They feel tacky. I mean, they're not like tacky to the touch or anything, but they're just feel fresh. But like I said, I didn't really like. I was gonna paint the whole thing, and then I'm just like, well, no, this painted, so I just kind of cleared it, just to, I don't know, but. Just something different. Probably doesn't look great, but hey, so I'm gonna put them on the truck. We'll get this started, get it assembled, and we'll move along and we'll get the brakes bled. We'll get it on the truck. I'm waiting on one thing, the starter motor that I have. I just need to. I'm waiting for a new one to come. That one burned up when I was cranking it for some weird reason. So it was the original LS starter motor. It must not have enough oomph for the compression on the motor. So got a new one coming. I hope it'll be here tomorrow because I'm going out of town. So we hope we can get it running by tomorrow is my goal. So you guys check this out. I'm gonna get these put on and bleed them, and we'll continue along.